Hello, Salam Sejahtera and Salam Hormat. I am Hazel Ginajil and this is Malaysia Adventist News. The Adventist Community Services, ACS, collaborated with the Health Ministries on a medical mission trip just 10 minutes from Kota Kinabalu this past 24th of October. 15 volunteers comprising doctors, nurses, and lay members participated in the medical mission trip, providing health screening and some medicines to the people of Kampung Kusuabon, Pulau, Gaya. At first, the villagers hesitated to receive the medical services, fearing the cost. However, when they discovered it was free, more people started coming. During the trip, ACS also conducted a demographic survey to study the people's needs, culture, and challenges. ACS is working on a better and more sustainable approach to reaching out to this group. The advisory for the Health and Adventist Possibility Ministries, APM, took place at the MAUM headquarters in Seremban from the 9th to the 11th of November. A total of 10 participants, including health and APM directors, together with their assistants from all 3 missions and 2 medical missionary volunteer MMV representatives, attended the 2-day meeting. The meetings covered topics related to lifestyle and health while uncovering possibilities for mission within the local communities. The sessions not only allowed participants to socialize, but also created an opportunity to learn from experts in the field. The Sarak Mission held an Elders, Deacons, and Deaconesses convention and advisory from the 10th to 12th of November at UCSI Hotel, Kuching. Under the direction of the Ministerial Department, the convention-themed Renewal and Restoration was based on Ephesians 4, verses 23 and 24. 105 elders, deacons, and deaconesses participated in the weekend event. The presented topics centered on approaches for the elders, deacons, and deaconesses to use in the church. Mission President Pastor Simile presented the second session on Sabbath morning entitled Pastors and Lay Leaders' Role in Stewardship Education. Amongst the speakers were MAUM Ministerial Secretary, Pastor Francis Amer, Pastor Chan Tin Loy, Sarak Mission Youth Director, and Pastor Terry Valton, Education Superintendent and Communication Director. The Peninsula Malaysia Mission Public Campus Ministry Camp took place from the 3rd to the 5th of November at Port Dickson Methodist Center. Spearheaded by the Peninsula Malaysia Mission Youth Director, Pastor Tan Wei Xiong, recounted the success of the camp. Around 140 participants from 31 public, government, private schools, colleges, universities, and 1 Adventist institution came together from locations around the Peninsula. One of the highlights of the camp was a town hall session where the participants openly asked questions on how the church deals with current issues. Some of the topics included taboo gender issues, student stress and depression, and social challenges, which were tackled by a panel of trained experts in the field, Dr. Tan Min Min, Pastor Macklin Matthew, Pastor Rini Ubara, and Pastor Caleb. Saba Mission Women's Ministries organized the first ever girls' camp from the 11th to the 13th of November. The Girls' Co-Mission Camp was a 3-day camp that took place at Saba Mission headquarters at Tamparuli. The event brought together 120 Adventists and non-Adventist girls aged between 12 to 17 years from 11 regions in Sabah, including participants from Sandakan, the east coast of Sabah, and Kudat, the northernmost region. 1 participant traveled from Selangor to join the camp. 48 participants were from mission schools in Tamparuli and Goshen, Kota Marudu. The camp's objectives centered around building a positive perspective, nurturing self-esteem, imparting vital life skills, and inspiring girls towards embracing the mission of witnessing for Christ. At the close, parents voiced their appreciation, hoping that the girls' co-mission camp would be a regular program by the women's ministries to prepare their girls for a better future. These are the news highlights around the territory of Malaysia. For more news and details, visit our website www.adventist.my. You may also follow us on our social media channels on YouTube, Malaysia Union Mission, Instagram, Adventist MY, and Facebook, Malaysia Union of Seventh-day Adventist MAUM.